Fifth part of the video, because why I need to make the fifth part of the video, because due to the technical error that also video got interrupted in between. I was reading the book and suddenly it got interrupted. Then what happened, we are in the chapter number 4 and our topic of the chapter is our beautiful country. So now we will discuss with the importance of the mountains. Okay, so what is the importance of the mountains in our life? Okay, and as we know, we are studying the account of the travel history of Sonam and her friends and with the guide Sheila. So let's start with the explanation of the importance of the mountains. The part 4 video I just read it just for the revision, and this I will explain you the two videos, that is part 4 video and part 5 video will be forwarded at the one time only to you in the group. So let's start. The majestic mountain acts as a natural barrier and protect our country. The mountain slopes are full of beautiful flowers, forests and medicinal herbs. The melting snow of the Himalayas provides perennial water to the rivers. You see, there is in the mountain there is different slopes. It is very beautiful, right? The mountains, from the mountains we find different kinds of the species of the plants that are used for the medicinal use. Okay, even the Ayurvedic plants are mostly found from the mountains. Okay, and there are also the formation of the rivers. How the rivers are formed? Melting of the snow forms the river. Okay, how the water comes? This is a cycle. Okay, this protect our country from cold winds blowing from the northern latitudes and prevents from the moisture lands winds from the south and western to across the China. As you see, when these mountains are there, when the old wind is coming, it will stop, it will not allow. This part it cannot travel because it will travel as it is a natural boundary. The mountains are what? Water mountains, it is a natural boundary which is gifted by the God, by the nature. Okay, so mountain acts as a natural boundary. It will not allow us to enter you can see it is not allowing even the mountains, is protecting from the terrorist also. The mountains which are present in the border of the Nepal, Mount Everest, okay, it is not allowing any country people to invade or come into the other and attack the Nepalis or the Nepal people. It is protecting us also. The mountain which is present in the land of the Arunachal Pradesh, Bhutan, is protecting as a natural boundary. It is giving the natural boundary. Okay, so which is protecting from one country and from other country. This is the extra which I told you. The melting snow from the Himalayas provides a perennial water to the rivers. So what is the meaning of the perennial? Throughout the year. Perennial means throughout the year, whole year you can say. They protect our country from the cold winds blowing from the northern latitudes and prevent the moisture land which comes from the south and west monsoon to move across the China. When the China's wind, that cold wind is coming in and entering in our India, it will protect us. Okay, the mountain areas, that mountainous areas have the lots of flora, fauna and even minerals are present. They also happens to be the some part of the top tourist place spots. The slopes acts as a rich grazing land too. Some mountains are also storehouse of the minerals, because lots of the minerals are stored into the mountains. Okay, so from this video I'll stop my explanation here. So from we will make the sixth part of the video where we will read that is whole chapter, and we will come to know about the rivers and the plains. I'll make you understand about the rivers and the plains. Why I'm doing the revision of the chapter again and again? Because it will directly help you to sit my words in your brain. By listening my words, it will help you to do the revision and also understand the chapter. If you have doubt or something, you can call me up to the 7th part of the video we'll make. The 7th part of the video will cover the explanation of the question answers. Okay, I'll give the question answers and I will explain you. Okay, so in the live classes also, if you have problem, you can see me. Just call me up and say. I hope that your attendance will be more in the live classes. Please put full concentration in the live classes. That time we can meet each other and we can talk each other and discuss our issues and solve it there. Thank you. Till then, that take care. Thank you. Bye bye. Keep learning. Keep reading. Thank you.